I am Emmanuel Obed. I'm the founder and CEO at Gugu Robotics. At Gugu Robotics, we are dedicated in creating innovative AI integrated solutions and solving key problems facing our world today. One of the most critical problems we are dedicated in solving is providing reliable and sustainable power for communities. Because without consistent power supply, communities face barriers in education, agriculture, and also in different fields of work, as this slows them down for them to thrive.
To tackle this, we've developed the PhotonPulse Infinity Generator. This groundbreaking technology converts kinetic energy into electricity, providing a continuous off-grid power source. Unlike solar or wind energy, PhotonPulse works regardless of weather conditions, making it a reliable solution for powering homes, schools, healthcare facilities, and small businesses in even the most challenging environments.
Okay, success for us is transforming life and providing reliable and sustainable electricity.
We plan to measure this by the number of communities we reach, the improvement in educational outcomes, enhanced healthcare services, and economic growth of local businesses. Over the next 5 years, we aim to impact thousands of people across multiple regions, driving meaningful and lasting change.
Thank you for choosing our project. Together we can create a brighter and sustainable future for all.